This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.